Meaning of dosshouse.
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 Dosshouse. Dosshouse is a term commonly used in British English to refer to a cheap lodging house or hostel that provides basic accommodations for those with very low incomes. These establishments are often overcrowded and may offer minimal amenities, making them a last resort for those who cannot afford better housing options. While dosshouses can be a source of temporary shelter for some, they are generally associated with poverty and social marginalization. The existence and conditions of dosshouses are often indicative of larger economic and societal problems such as income inequality and lack of affordable housing.